If you've been scrolling around looking for easy rewards or quick gift cards, you've probably stumbled on memberld.com. But before you get too excited, hold up, because things start feeling weird pretty fast. The moment you land on the site, it gives off this too good to be true vibe. And when you start digging even a little, the red flags are hard to ignore. First off, the domain is newly registered, which doesn't automatically mean it's bad. But it definitely raises questions when a platform is claiming to offer big deals right out of the gate with no history to its name. Then there's the part where it randomly redirects you to another site, something legit companies rarely do unless they're partnered. And here, nothing is clearly explained. On top of that, memberld.com uses the Aldi logo in a way that doesn't look officially authorized, which again pushes the whole platform into the uncertain zone. And the biggest issue? There's absolutely no proper contact information. No support email, no social media, nothing that tells you who's behind the website or how to reach them if something goes wrong. So the overall picture isn't exactly comforting. But it's also not enough to outright label it as a total scam. It's more like one of those sites that sit in the gray area where the risk feels higher than the reward. If you're thinking of signing up or giving out your details, it's the kind of platform where you definitely want to be careful, double-check things, and avoid sharing personal or financial information until there's more transparency or proof of legitimacy.